Hello friends, I am Nagesh Bemde and today I am going to present the lecture on objectives of production management. In last lecture we have seen introductory part of production management. In that we have seen meaning and scope areas of production management. Today we are going to see objectives of production management. There are four main or primary objectives of production management. We may call these as 4 R's of production management. Production management always focuses on to produce the product at less cost with minimum time and cost with appropriate quality and quantity. Let us move towards this main objective. First one is right quality. Quality is the degree of excellence or standard according which the product is to be manufactured. The quality is the predetermined standard which will be compared with actual result. Yes, students, predetermined standards or expected quality standards compared with the actual result, and if deviations or errors comes out, they can apply or production management can apply corrective actions in order to maintain the quality. Right quality is the manufacturing of product at predetermined quality which is based on customers needs. It can be determined by cost and technical specifications of product which are suitable. All the production activities are implemented to achieve these objectives in order to reduce wastages and improve the quality standard of the product. The role of good quality is to satisfy and attract customers. It helps to stand the product in the competitive market for the longer period of time. Yes, students, if right quality is maintained, the standard or expected quality is maintained in the product will be stand for the longer period of time in the market. Second main objective is right quantity. Right quantity is concerned with the total number of products needs to be produced. This total number of products or quantity within a specified period is based on how much demand is in the market. Yes, students, how much sales or demand is in the market, that is the base or on the basis of which the right quantity can be determined. If excess quantity is produced, then it results in blocked up of funds or capital in inventory or extra stock. This blocked up of capital can be recovered only when the goods sold in the market. If less quantity is produced which causes the shortage of products in the market and the customer's demand cannot be fulfilled, that is why appropriate quantity is required to be produced. So the demand and sales forecasting help production management to produce right quantity that satisfy and fulfill the demand of customers. Third main objective is right manufacturing cost. The cost is the expenses incurred to produce products. The cost is decided before products get manufactured. Reduction of cost is the primary goal of every organization. Predetermined cost help production management to implement manufacturing activities in such a way that it reduces the cost as per the requirement. Cost of the product can be increased by a number of factors such as wastages or faulty production, extra time required, and excess production. So, the right manufacturing cost is the predetermined cost that will be achieved by implementing various production activities. Production management always try to achieve the product produced at less cost with good quality. Yes, there should be balance between the quality and quantity. Sometimes it happens that while maintaining the good quality, required quantity cannot be produced. So it is essential to maintain good quality with quantity. Considering quality parameter, the cost is decided because sometimes cost is reduced, but at less cost it may not be possible to maintain the quality of product. There should be right cost with right quantity. Fourth main objective is right time or right schedule. It concerned with the on-time delivery of products which is possible when products quantity is ready and more enough to fulfill the demand quantity. Timeliness of delivery is one of the important goal of production management. There are many reasons due to which on-time delivery of products sometimes cannot be possible. The reasons such as breakdown of machinery, less manpower or absenteeism, etc. Production management should focus on these factors and make optimum utilization of all the available resources. Optimum utilization means complete and proper use of all the resources required to produce the product. We may understand this point by an example. You always observe that some daily needed products such as biscuit, toothpaste or the like many other products or FMCG products such as washing powder, bath soap and shampoo which are always available at nearest shop. This is due to the achievement of the objective, that is right time. So production management always try to produce the product within a specified time, due to which products are available anywhere. All these four objectives are interlinked and interdependent to each other. Production management strives to achieve some other objectives. First one is producing right kind of products that satisfy customers' needs or customers' expectations. Production management also focuses on selecting right kind of the product that meet the customer's expectations. Selecting and producing right kind of product is a very crucial job for production management. All the activities are influenced by the type of product to be manufactured. The production type, required machineries, material, all are based on kind of product to be manufactured. So, selection of appropriate product is also an important objective of production management. Next other objective is availability of required machinery and equipment. Yes, students, production management also focuses on making available all the required machineries and equipment that can be used effectively. Machinery should be used in such a way that the product gets manufactured with expected technical specifications and with accuracy. After selecting right kind of product, production management need to make available all the equipments and machineries required to produce that product properly and accurately. Production management ensures the procurement and running of machinery at minimum cost. Next objective is availability of required material. Yes, production management also focuses on making available required material with appropriate quantity and expected quality. All the products require specific type of raw material or spare parts. Production management always try to make available required quantity of material and spare parts at most economical or minimum price to manufacture the product. Production management need to provide the material or input as per required specification and quality. Some raw material may have shortage in future, due to which production management need to make stock of such raw material to fulfill future requirements. Next objective is availability of required manpower. Production management requires to make provision of required number of potential human resource to complete the necessary activities of production management. Yes, there should be enough manpower or employees or labor to execute all the production activities. It always needed to focus on productive manpower. Workforce or manpower should be skilled enough to complete the activities with higher productivity. The performance of manpower is based on the skills and experience. If existence manpower or employees of production management department are not capable to perform as per the expectations, then it is essential to arrange or conduct some training sessions. So production management need to conduct some training sessions in order to make them potential, make their employees skilled, so that they can give better performance, increase their productivity. Availability of right manpower can contribute for the excellence in the execution of all the production activities. In this way, making available required manpower play a very important role in the execution of all the production activities in the expected an effective manner. So these are the some other objectives production management strives to achieve. And these objectives help to achieve main objectives of the production management, that is right quality, right quantity, right cost, and right time. So these are the objectives of production management. Next point we will see in next lecture.